production house. I have my politics, so a lot of work. So if there's something very, very interesting, I would be doing it.
Why don't you produce a film?
I'm a producer myself, but then I can't make films for myself.
How about the daughter of yours? Will be acting in anything?
My elder one should be introduced next year. My younger one is assisting Mr. Maniratnam. So they both are busy.
How about Hindi films?
I'm doing a Hindi film after 35 long years. I'm doing a film with Mr. Nana Patekar, which I should start in January.
Any name or any detail you would like to share?
Let the production house come out with all the details.
See you around.
Yes. Thank you.
Very excited because IFFI is a great platform and people come to Goa for holidays, but now they also come here for IFFI to watch all the films that are shown here. And I'm very excited because I'm doing one of my best, the classical kind of songs, and the audience is also very beautiful. So
और अवार्ड लेके जाने वाली हैं आज आप, उसको लेके क्या कहेंगी?
वेरी वेरी ऑनर्ड कि अवार्ड लिया जा रहा है. आई थिंक इस इंडस्ट्री में इतने साल काम किया है और जब भी ऐसा अवार्ड मिलता है एक एनकरेजमेंट मिलती है, एक और अच्छा काम करने की आस जगती है और बस वही करेंगे, हम अच्छा काम करते रहेंगे.
Ma'am, what's happening in your home production?
पंचक इज़ गोइंग टू रिलीज़ ऑन 5th January नेक्स्ट ईयर और बहुत जल्द आ रही है. सो वी विल सून स्टार्ट द पब्लिसिटी एंड एवरीथिंग फॉर दैट.
नहीं सर, मुझे सोशल मीडिया पर एक्टिव आहे. एनी चांस ही विल बी इन योर फिल्म बिकॉज ही लुक गुड, ही टॉक वेल ऑल्सो.
नाही
यू विल मेक हिम एन एक्टर.
पंचकमध्ये मी नाही आणि तेही नाहीत. वी आर प्रोड्युसर्स मेनली आणि खूप चांगली स्टारकास्ट आहे. बेस्ट आपले जे मराठीचे ॲक्टर्स आहेत ते सगळे आहेत पंचकमध्ये. सो आय होप यू गाईज एन्जॉय द फिल्म.
नेने सरांना कधी ॲक्टर म्हणून पाहता येईल का?
He's a surgeon, he's a doctor, he has a different platform altogether. So he should speak for himself. तुला कधी आवडेल का?
बघूया. रोज ऍक्टिंग करतो, मुलं आहेत ना.
How does it feel coming to a festival like this? What it feel? I mean, celebrating cinema, you are getting awarded. How does it feel like?
It feels wonderful. If he has, developed over the years, and this year, from the international, from the global cinema, we have more than 2,500 films coming in. And of course, we have also not just Hindi films, but pan-India films which are being shown. And so it's like a hub of creativity now, which will be amazing for all India and for everyone.
When you say 2,500 films, anything in particular that you are looking forward to?
Well, all the films. I mean, they are from the best, best work from best people. So let's hope, and see that there's so many different films. Thank you.
It's absolutely fantastic. Last time when I was here, that is 2022, RDXGOA, that also I was hosting. Now this time it's with Karishma Tanna, and touchwood, looking forward to the hosting.
We love your hosting, but tell me, is there anything extra special for this IFFI this year?
यार जी स्टूडियोज की 2 फिल्में हैं जिन्होंने मेरी फिल्म बर्लिन रिलीज की. हम सारे फेस्टिवल्स हुआ है, बट यहाँ पे उनकी 2 फिल्में, सो रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट. या
Thank you. Very excited, very happy to be here in Goa, one of my favorite cities. Very happy to be at IFFI. It's such a prestigious function, and really excited to perform. And पूछ ले बेटा, कुछ तेरे पास भी आ जाऊंगा, कुछ पूछ तो जी.
शायद सर ये लुक जो कर रखा अभी आपने वो
जी।
क्या अपकमिंग किसी प्रोजेक्ट
जी
के लिए
मेरी नई फिल्म के लिए है, उसका नाम है देवा. We've just started shooting it. It's going to come out next year on Dussehra
Okay.
on 11th August, and yeah, so this is basically for that.
Great look.
Thank you.
Also, and OTT also. So this your OTT the debut of yours has been very appreciated by the
Thank you
audience.
so much.
And this year IFFI has also opened up with an OTT award.
जी.
What do you have to say about it?
मैम मेरे काम को दर्शक पसंद करें, प्यार दें, चाहे वो फर्जी हो या ब्लडी डैडी हो. बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार मिला इस साल. फर्जी हैज़ डन बियॉन्ड माई एक्सपेक्टेशंस. इट्स बीन द मोस्ट वॉच शो एवर. आई डोंट थिंक एनीबडी कैन एक्सपेक्ट दैट. सो बहुत ही हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्व की बात थी. एंड ब्लडी डैडी इज़ द मोस्ट वॉच फिल्म दिस ईयर. सो OTT पे आई थिंक आई हैव लैंडेड सेफली. आई एम फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी थैंकफुल, क्योंकि जनता जनता होती है, ऑडियंस ऑडियंस होती है. आप जब भी कुछ करते हैं, जब तक आपको उनका प्यार, उनकी खुशी नहीं महसूस होती, तो अंदर से आपको सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिलता. तो मुझे महसूस हुई है इस साल. सो द ईयर इज़ बीन वेरी वेरी नाइस फॉर मी. नेक्स्ट ईयर आई विल ओनली हैव थिएट्रिकल रिलीजेस. सो दिस ईयर वाज मोर OTT. अगले साल मेरी 2 फिल्में आएंगी. एक फरवरी में आएगी और एक अगस्त में आएगी. एक की शूटिंग मैं फ़िलहाल कर रहा हूँ. सो वेरी सेटिस्फाइड एंड वेरी थैंकफुल.
सत्रह साल किसी के जीवन में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होते हैं. कोई युवा हो तो उसके लिए भी, या कोई युवा फेस्टिवल हो. लेकिन 17 वर्षों में IFFI की यात्रा बहुत उपलब्धियों भरी रही. इट्स फुल ऑफ अचीवमेंट्स. इफ़ यू लुक एट द लास्ट 17 years of IFFI, it has actually become an international festival. We have seen this year close to 2,900 plus applications for the film festival, which is close to 3 times more than the last year. That clearly shows the interest in the International Film Festival of India. And I'm sure with the new inventions and innovations, new technology, especially the VFX and other sectors, where audio visuals, gaming, comics, visual effects, animation, this all is bringing a lot of post-production work to India. We are going to announce a new filmmaking policy today for the international production houses, and I'm sure it's going to be one of the best in the world. Just wait for the announcement. We have seen a lot of interest in the post-production also, in the co-production also. And today at the Film Bazaar, I have seen there are more than 1,000 participants from across the world, which clearly shows the interest is growing. And I'm sure the kind of effort which has been put in by the ministry and all the stakeholders, IFFI with the India media and entertainment industry growing by 20% every year, and we are among the 5 largest media and entertainment economies of the world. The future is ours. The way Indian economy is going to be the 3rd largest in next 5 years, and I'm sure our media and entertainment industry is going to be among the 3rd largest entertainment industries of the world. Thank you.
Really lovely to be an integral part. I have a session and will be on the jury. So it's और आज की जो inauguration है उसकी I think it's really amazing. So रोज़ साल भर साल कुछ ना कुछ बड़ा और होता जा रहा है और खूबसूरत होता जा रहा है और ज़्यादा nations एक साथ आ रहे हैं. And it's a beautiful effort, I think, and looking forward.
As a judge, what factors do you keep in mind while selecting the film?
To be fair. Absolutely, to be fair. बहुत मेहनत करते हैं सब लोग. And I think I had a good jury with me. So yes.
And what trend did you see in this film, whichever you have seen?
Trends कि इतनी हम लोग एक्चुअली एज एन ऑडियंस जब कुछ भी देखते हैं, शोज़ देखते हैं या कुछ भी देखते हैं, तो हमें लगता है कि हाँ एंटरटेनिंग, लेकिन जब आप ऐसे देखते देखते कितने मुख्तलिफ, कितने अलग हैं एक दूसरे से, और येट दे आर सो ब्रिलियंट. और बहुत सारे ऐसे शोज़ हैं जो शायद इतने सबके सामने नहीं आए, लेकिन बहुत सुंदर शोज़ हैं.
छोटा ही रखना है. Please change.
You're performing today.
Yeah.
So what we can expect from performances?
Well, it's like well, the theme is the whole Indian party, so it has all the party songs, and it was fun performing and rehearsing, though we didn't have much time to really work on it, but I love dancing, and being on stage gives me immense pleasure, so yeah, I'm really excited to be here.
Do's and don'ts you follow before hitting the stage?
I eat a lot of protein, a lot of carbs, keep myself very relaxed, which never happens because there's always some change or some whatever. But I feel just be very grateful for the fact that I am here to perform, and God's been kind enough to give me dance and this platform to perform. So gratefulness is what I try to practice. Yeah.
Thank you. See, I love coming to this festival in different roles. I used to come as a viewer. Last year my film was selected, so I'd come as a director. This year I'm one of the grand juries. So every time the role changes, but the festival is the same. It is so beautiful, and it is like a get together of creative people from all over India. So it's very beautiful. आणि मला इथे येऊन खूप ऊर्जा मिळते नवीन काम करायला. असं वाटतं की अरे किती लोक काय काय करतायत, आपण पण काहीतरी चांगलं करायला पाहिजे. सो आय थिंक अशा जागी जायला पाहिजे जिकडे तुम्ही चांगल्या लोकांना, हुशार लोकांना भेटता, क्रिएटिव्ह लोकांना भेटता. तशी ही फार महत्त्वाची जागा आहे.
With Karan Yoski.
Yeah.
I thought we had IFFI 54 and we should celebrate this massive, beautiful, gorgeous festival. But I'm so glad that you've asked me about coffee. What is the perfect blend? The perfect blend is the perfect combination of guests.
Oh my
Karan,
God.
like the content you're coming with, amazing. We all love you're coming with Air Watan.
Right.
We all love Rocky Ki Rani. What do you have to say about your evolution as a filmmaker?
Well, I've been 25 years in the business, so I'm glad there is an evolution. I think from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai to Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani has been like a journey from one love story in 1998 to one in 2023. I think the characters have evolved, the journeys have evolved, the politics have evolved, the communication of what I want to say about family and love and about gender equality, all that has evolved, I hope. And I'm just glad that the film received so much love, and I'm very, very, very grateful.
What we can
Original Air Watan Mere Watan, led by Sara Ali Khan, directed by Kanan Iyer, and we're very, very excited about this story. It's inspired by true events, and it tells the very brave story of a girl from basically being a college girl in Mumbai to a freedom fighter, and we're vastly excited about it coming early next year.
The minister has allotted given so many good news for an industry. So what do you have to say on that?
We are eternally grateful to the Honourable Minister, Shri Anurag Thakurji, for always being such a cheerleader for our industry. He constantly puts film forward before anything else, and the Honourable Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, has always said that we are a tremendous soft power and we should be self-aware and know that we can make a big impact in the world.
Every year it is always special to come for IFFI, and this is another special year. I think a lot of new initiatives have been taken, and I'm happy that OTTs include this year. Yeah. So which is a welcome initiative from IFFI. Also, I think restoration of the films, like 30s films, they have restored, like films like Guide and all those very important milestone films have been restored. So that's another good thing, and something which I started long back, which is 75 minds, creative minds, which we give exposure to. But I always feel that this is a place which is very important place for youngsters. देखिए क्या है कि जो पहुँचे हुए फिल्म मेकर्स हैं या जो लोग सक्सेसफुल हैं उनको तो बहुत एक्सपोजर मिलता है, लेकिन जो हमारे यंग बच्चे हैं जो फिल्म अभी शुरू कर रहे हैं बनाना, उन लोगों के लिए इफ़ी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. And I think it's a very important festival for those, and that's the reason I am here, to encourage them and make sure that they get the right exposure. I think the master classes and all those things. I look forward to this IFFI like always.
So one important question, you are an important member of a film industry. Recently actor Vishal leveled allegations.
Right, we will not talk about controversies here. I think whatever was to be inquired about, and we take everything seriously, and I think all the processes which are required to be streamlined. I've already sent the press release, which you can see that a lot of initiatives have been taken. We always with the industry and for a more streamlined and better process.
And speaking of your projects, what we can expect?
I'm working on a couple of musical things. As you know, my primary thing is basically nature of a poet. So I love songs, and I think storytelling through songs is something which I'm experimenting with right now, and collaborating with few filmmakers.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.